Yeah, sanibona. Ningakhohlwa ukuthi kunamanye ama-blessings or amanye amaphupho which require i-transition, which means adinga wena ukuthi utshintshe from the person you are daily. Adinga wena utshintshe from the mentality you possess daily. Adinga wena utshintshe from the crowd you hang around daily. Adinga wena ushintshe from the energy you possess. Yes, sometimes it's not a matter of opportunities not coming to us, but it's a matter of us not being prepared enough to embrace our opportunities because we are still covered from our mindset wendlela lesiqhamuka kuyo. Ngazi noma understand. Without transition, not many things can come into effect because kufuneka ushintshe ukuze u-absorbe lezi zinto ofuna uzi-absorbe, ukuze u-attract-e lezi zinto ofuna ukuzi-attract. So, namuhla zibuze this question: are you willing to change to accept your blessings and your success? Ube nosuku oluhle. Danko.